She's covered in big, hard scales and has thick fur, too. Her front legs are short and chubby, but they're really hard. Her toes are shaped like long hooks, so she's great at climbing up trees. She can't see very well, but she's really good at finding food by its smell. I think I'd take after her sense of smell. And when my mom feels like she's in danger, she rolls her body into a ball. Her scales are as hard as armor, so they act as a shield.
All right. So you're saying this is what your mom looks like, right?
She looks exactly like Gold.
That's right. That's my mom.
All right. Now it's time for my nose to step up.
Can. Like Can said, we promise we'll find her.
Thank you so much.
Oh, I can smell Gold's mom. Over here, too. Here, guys, this way. Gold's mom passed by here. Right here. She passed by here, too. That's odd. But I can't seem to smell her by the river, though.
Then, does that mean we won't be able to find her?
Can!
Wait, isn't that...
It's a scale from Gold's mom.
Maybe Gold's mother went into the river.
And maybe that's how she lost her scale.
Can!
It's not like I can turn back time and check.
Hey, Zizi, why don't we use the Eagle Eyes time playback device?
All right, here I go. Time playback device starting up. Oh, it's Gold's mother.
Gull, honey, where are you? Little Gull!
I knew it! She went inside the river to go look for Gold.
I got you.
Let me go!
Oh,
No! What do we do? Someone took Gold's mommy!
Mom, please hurry back. I miss you.
Little Gold, wait just a little longer. We will find your mom and bring her back.
Can!
Is this where it is? Where Gold's mom was brought?
Can!
Oh, there she is.
By any chance, are you little Gull's mother?
Gull? My little Gull? Do you know my little Gull? Where is he right now? He's okay, right? He's not hurt, is he?
Yay! She's Gold's mom, all right. No doubt about it.
We found her!
Let's get out of here. Come on, we'll help you.
Can!
We will.
But how?
We'll dig an underground tunnel and get out of here. Rhino Crane, switching to the underground tunnel mode.
Can! That's the Rhino Crane for you. You know, these things are everywhere. What are they, flowers? They look really strange.
Molly, make like a fly again so we can find that fly. Where did Molly go?
That's funny. She was here a minute ago.
Molly? First the ant, then the fly, and now Molly! Molly!
Molly! Molly! Where are you? Molly! Wow, the smell of sweet honey! It's coming from over here. Oh, it smells so yummy!
Baba, have you found Molly? Baba? Baba? Baba's gone too? No way! What if the monster that attacked the poor ant and fly has gulped down my Molly and Baba. What if he's after me right now? Pete, don't fail me now!
Help me! Help me, please!
I couldn't believe my eyes, but I decided to observe the plant that had attacked Molly. Suddenly, the plant just ate a fly! Apparently, the plant was a carnivorous plant that preyed on insects by luring them in with strong smells. Carnivorous plants live in areas where the soil lacks nutrients, so they eat insects to get the nutrients they need. We might fall into the trap by accident, so be careful and watch your step.
Careful, careful.
Oh, brother.
Careful, careful.
Hey! Would you guys stop following me?
We're being careful.
Oh, brother, you're both impossible.
Oh, it's the trap pit.
Where? It's definitely big enough for ants to fall into. Apparently, the hole we found belonged to an earthworm. Fess up, you dug this trap to eat ants, didn't you?
Oh my, how horrible! Ants are not part of my diet. I eat dirt and leaves like this one here.
Dirt and leaves? Well then, why did you dig this trap?
Trap? This is just the hole in the ground that I came out of.
Really? We continued to search for any suspicious-looking holes that seemed like ant traps. Then suddenly...
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, something is pulling my leg! Hey, guys! I think I've stepped into a trap! Oh!
Oh, you just stepped in poo.
Habyo! There's not a hole on Earth that can trap the amazing martial artist Baba!
Perhaps this is the ant trap we've been looking for. Let's check it out! Baba!
Look over there!
This is top-notch digging work. Fess up, you dug this hole to trap ants, didn't you? Apparently, the hole we found belonged to a mole.
Trap? This is just a tunnel that I dug to look for food. And I prefer eating earthworms. But I wouldn't mind tasting something new.
They're koalas, I presume.
Rabbit.
Hey, open your eyes, buddy.
Captain, over there.
That koala is with its baby. Hold on. With its baby. That means... So that means inside its pouch is... Oh, gentlemen, let's go and wrap up this case.
Oh no, we're too late.
Let's not give up! Koala!
It's so noisy that I can't get any sleep. What do you want?
Sorry we woke you, but what do you have inside your pouch?
My pouch? Why do you want to know? Anyway, I don't have anything inside my pouch right now. So please leave. I'm sleepy.
Hey, Pete! Look at that koala!
She's holding her baby so tenderly. Is she trying to keep it safe? If that's the case, then what's inside the kangaroo's pouch is...
Boo-boos. She doesn't want to show us her pouch because she's embarrassed to show us her boo-boos.
Not you guys again! I told you to stay away!
The mystery is solved?
Finally, I figured it out.
The reason I won't show you the inside of my pouch is not what you think.
The answer's your baby.
Hey, baby kangaroo! I'm sorry, I hit you with that ball before.
The mystery is solved! Case number 32 is finally closed. The precious bundle inside her pouch was a baby kangaroo. The reason why the animals refused to show us their pouches was because they wanted to protect their babies from danger. The babies stay safe inside their mother's pouch, nursing until they're big enough to leave and venture out into the world. Now let's start where did Bubba and Molly go? I see they dived straight into the water to investigate. So proud. That's my team for ya.
The only things moving in the water were fish.
None of the rocks were budging.
We decided that Pete must have been
mistaken and went through with our plan. Unfortunately, we didn't see any moving rocks.
They move around quite a bit, so I'm sure they're hard to find. All right, I'll go look for them this time.
The coast is clear.
Who says you need a fishing rod to catch fish?
Let's cook them over a fire!
I was keeping an eye out for even the slightest movement. I found it! My eyes weren't playing tricks on me. It definitely didn't have any legs. But the rock moved on its own. So then, what is it that attacked those insects? What happened?
Out of nowhere, something grabbed me and tried to pull me down.
Just now? Show yourself!
There's no one here except us.
Taking pictures won't help us now! I'm positive the culprit's hiding nearby. He attacked like lightning and then ran away. Let's search around the rock. We investigated all the animals around the rock, but the toad isn't quick enough to be our culprit.
Oh boy, and the earthworm is even slower. There's one.
You're the flying snake, aren't you?
Who are you guys? Move it, you're in my way. Hey, Froggy, you think if you fly I can't catch you? Wow! The snake can really fly!
Now the mystery is solved! The unidentified flying object in the photo was the flying snake. It can fly by leaping off a branch of a tree. It flattens its round body and cuts through the air. The flying snake can fly as far as 100 meters. Flying frogs and flying lizards also flatten their bodies to fly through the air. But above a flying frog is a flying snake. The mystery is solved.